Hi, my name is Alex Starr, one of your account advisors here at Equips. Today I'm going to show you how to submit a service request through your Equips web application. When your equipment has run into issues and is not working properly, submit a service request, which can be completed in as little as 15 seconds. As a bonus, the more you use our system and submit service requests through the Equips portal, not only will you save time, but you can qualify for a credit towards your next renewal, saving you money as well. The first step is to log into the Equips web application. On the dashboard, navigate to the left-hand side of the page and click Start Service Request. The service request window will appear. If you have access to many branch locations, they will appear on the left-hand side, and the equipment will appear on the right. For most of you, your branch location will be pre-selected, and you will only be able to choose from the equipment available at the location you have access to. Select the piece of equipment that requires service and click Continue. From here, select any number of the pre-filled issues or select Other, add to the title if needed, and enter in the description of the issue. Next, if the main contact for this request should be someone other than yourself, select the proper contact from the drop-down list that is best suited to handle this issue. From here, click Submit. Your request will be dispatched out right away, and your equipment will be up and running in no time. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to your account advisor. We're always happy to help. As always, stay tuned for more exciting tips from your account advisor team here at Equips. Thank you.